Hello, everyone. So this is our project, our proposal project for China, and we're just gonna get right into it whenever you're ready.
Okay, so air pollution is responsible for around 2 million deaths in China each year, and over half of those come from outdoor pollution alone. A long-term study in Shanghai found that respiratory illnesses like COPD, pneumonia, and asthma have risen sharply. Of the 2 million hospital admissions recorded, 70% were seniors aged 65 or older. With China's rapidly aging population, this means the need for clean indoor air is greater than ever. We believe every home, especially those with elderly residents, needs an air purifier. Our proposed design is a compact, smart, senior-friendly, and family-integrated, featuring a layered and eco-friendly filter system that provides safety and comfort for every generation.
Okay, now I will explain the VRIO analysis of our smart air purifier. First, it's valuable because it automatically adjusts purification cycles based on air quality and even sends reports through the app to help users monitor indoor air trends. Second, it's rare thanks to its senior-friendly design. It includes a simple interface with large fonts, a compact structure that saves space, and even a built-in emergency button, features that make it ideal for elderly users and stand out from other purifiers. Third, while our product is valuable and rare, it's not completely inimitable. Competitors could eventually copy features like the small size or large font menu. Finally, in terms of organization, we're still developing. As a new company, we lack the financial resources and established structure to fully leverage these strengths yet. Overall, our product currently has a temporary competitive advantage, but we are working towards strengthening our organizational side to sustain it long term.
All right. In this section, we select three well-known companies that also produce home air purifiers. We analyze the strength and the weakness of each to make the respective comparisons, and it was truly surprising to see how our product competes in this category. Our air filters are made with biodegradable components compared to other companies, which represents a significant advantage for our users as older adults are committed to protecting the environments. Our filters are larger than those of other companies and have a lifespan of approximately 3 months, making them more durable than those of other manufacturers and offering a good results in terms of functionality.
Our main target market is elderly people living in large metropolitan areas of China, such as Shanghai and Hong Kong. These cities have high pollution levels and a large elderly population that needs regular access to medical care, which makes air purification especially important. Demographically, our target customers are men and women aged 65 to 85, usually retirees with low to middle income who live in small apartments and may suffer from respiratory conditions like asthma or COPD. Psychographically, they are health conscious and prefer products that are simple, reliable, and affordable. They want to stay independent and maintain their health without spending too much. They are also familiar with technology. In short, this market offers great potential because elderly people in urban China are the most concerned about air quality and health, making them the group most likely to invest in a purifier like ours.
AeroWell is a senior-friendly, family-focused air purifier blending wellness and clean air with a three-tier product line: practical, culturally aware packaging, local adaptation for language and air quality, and a logo symbolizing harmony, trust, and health. We will enter the Chinese market through a joint venture targeting elderly customers in major cities, focusing on online retail via Tmall, JD, and trusted local retailers, leveraging the partners' networks and expertise with the revenue through profit sharing and messaging, emphasizing wellness, independence, and family safety. The promotion strategy centers on the peace of mind concept, highlighting family connection and safety through a smart, senior-friendly air purifier, remote monitoring, supported by Mandarin website and influencer-led social media to build trust and reach family audiences.
Our pricing strategy sets our product between 999 yen and 1,299 yen RMB, similar to Xiaomi Hair. It was designed with seniors in mind, prioritizing ease of use, comfort, and wellness. We're not just selling hardware, we're promoting wellness, independence, and peace of mind for aging consumers and their families. Our distribution through trusted retailers and tailor marketing campaigns adds cost, but also reinforces our brand's emotional appeal and reliability. This pricing ensures we recover costs while standing out in a crowded market.
Our entry strategies approach, we came up with 5 different entry strategies, which are importing finished products from the US, use of licensing or franchising, wholly owned subsidiary, contract manufacturer, and joint venture. We are excited to pursue a joint venture to introduce Aerowell to the dynamic Chinese market. This approach offers swift market access, shared costs with local partners, and regional expertise to help us navigate cultural nuances. With a strategic focus and a commitment to addressing potential challenges, we are confident that the benefits of this partnership will far outweigh the risk, paving the way for a successful market launch. Risk mitigation. Some of the risks in a joint venture that we have investigated are intellectual property risk, cultural and management clashes, and choosing the right partner. To mitigate this risk, we will establish clear intellectual property ownership, define sharing terms, and implement effective exit strategies. A thorough risk assessment will help us understand culture dynamics, and a carefully crafted contract will outline our objectives, responsibilities, and authority. Before selecting the right partner, we will conduct thorough due diligence to fully understand the context for our joint venture. By addressing these risks, we can navigate the complexities of forming a joint venture in China with confidence, thereby increasing our chances of success.
Okay, so our sourcing and logistics plan. So based on our research, most of the key parts and components for our air purifier can be sourced locally within China. By leveraging local suppliers, we can significantly reduce total manufacturing costs while maintaining efficiency. However, 3 specialized quality control equipment, such as airflow and pressure testers, filter efficiency testers, and environmental test chambers, need to be imported from other countries. Therefore, we focused our supplier selection based on capability, quality, proximity to China, to Shanghai, and existing free trade agreements. As a result, we selected Fukuda and SPEC from Japan and Topaz from Germany. For logistics, we identified several options: by air through express or cargo shipment, or by sea via LCL and FCL freight. This setup ensures we maintain both cost effectiveness and reliable delivery.
In this section, we analyze the ethnocentric, geocentric, and the polycentric approaches. We examine their advantages and disadvantages. After delving into these 3 types of approaches and based on the information gathered in the previous weeks, we conclude the most appropriate approach to implement in China would be the polycentric one. As we saw previously, Chinese culture values respect for authority and all local leaders. Therefore, hiring Chinese managers would help maintain momentum and avoids conflicts with unfamiliar foreigners. Furthermore, communicating in Mandarin and understanding their nonverbal cues is essential for them. Therefore, hiring local Chinese managers would eliminate language barriers and help strengthen relationship with local suppliers and customers.
Our organization, organizational structure blends global expertise with local insight. The CEO and CTO are expatriates, focusing on strategic direction and product innovation. Meanwhile, the COO, CMO, and other department heads are local professionals who understand the Chinese market deeply. This ensures our operations are efficient, our marketing is culturally adapted, and our customer care is truly senior-friendly. Supporting teams like tech support and cultural research reinforce our commitment to relevance and empathy. This structure isn't just functional, it's a reflection of our brand values.
The CEO and CTO are expats due to strategic and innovation needs, with comprehensive packages including salary, incentives, housing, relocation, COLA, education, healthcare, transport, home leave, and tax support, while local managers receive competitive RMB salaries, bonuses, and standard benefits, creating a dual approach that balances global talent retention with local efficiency and cultural alignment.
And these are all the sources that we used for each slide.